Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to completely set up Ubuntu for gaming. For example, gaming on Ubuntu is way easier now. Remember back 1 or 2 years ago where people had to jump through so many hoops for Ubuntu gaming? Well, don't worry newbies, I am going to take you through plenty of good strategies to install all of your games. So first thing you're going to see when you boot up Ubuntu is this interface. You're going to click on the Show Applications button, and then you're going to open Terminal. Now, don't be scared. We're going to want to type sudo, which gives you super user privileges, apt, which is the package manager, and we're going to update. And then we're going to type in our password that we gave the system. Now, we're just going to go through and update all your packages. You can see right here. It says 22 can be upgraded. So we're going to go sudo apt upgrade, and it's going to do all of this. It says it's about 1.5 MB. So we're going to be doing this, but of course it's going to uncompress itself. It does come pre-installed with Firefox. I am going to show you guys how to install Google Chrome on here. We're going to go to google.com/Chrome. It's going to take you right here. Click on Download Chrome. Click on the 64bit.deb for Debian and Ubuntu. Save file and wait for the Google Chrome stable to download. Go right here, Google Chrome stable current, and open it. It is going to pop up a window, and it should here in a minute. Pop up a window that's telling you to install Chrome. If this doesn't happen, then you can go into your Ubuntu Software Center and download something else. Now, of course, this is going to take a minute to boot up. Now, if we type sudo apt update again, it says all packages are up to date, and that's what we want. And now, right here, we're going to go sudo apt install python pip, like that.
Where are your best ones?
And you're going to let these packages install. I'm sorry, that was my brother. I'm going to let these packages install right here. And now these are just going to install. And then right here you can look up on here. I'm pretty sure Chrome's on here. Google Chrome. Pretty sure their package is on here. But I'm pretty sure it will work on you, for you. I'm going to open the deb file again right here to see if it pops up. You see right here, it installed successfully. You don't have to understand what this is. It's not hard. Now, it's going to be installing the stable version of Google Chrome for Ubuntu. Now, it's going to be installing that. The only things I installed on this system is VLC and OBS so I could record my screen. Now, it says it's done. We go in here, we have Google Chrome. I'm going to add this to favorites, remove Firefox, and quit that. I use Libre Wolf, so I'm not going to be using any of these. But you can see, Google Chrome will load up just like it does on Windows. Now we are going to go sudo pip install LibreGaming. LibreGaming is case sensitive, so make sure to do that like that. You can see now it is installed. So now if we go LibreGaming, it is case sensitive once again. We're going to do dash and we're going to do H. Oh, like I said, case sensitive. LibreGaming. We're going to do H. And right here, it's going to say all this. Don't worry. We're going to choose the all package. This is all of them. So there we go. This is their repo, so you can just clone it if you want to. But we're doing it the easy way for the new users here. So now we're going to go LibreGaming, and we're going to give it a. It's going to do everything you need to do that you would have to type into the terminal, like install Wine, the Proton GE build, install your game launchers, and all that. It's going to do all of that that you would need to do by hand in here. So if you were to go to Wine HQ, this would be something you'd have to install by hand. And to the new user, this doesn't look very friendly. So this is why Ubuntu right now is the best for gaming. And I actually just set my brother up on it yesterday and installed him for gaming. We're also going to go to additional drivers, and it's going to search for available drivers here. You see none of proprietary drivers are being used here. I'm going to get my latest NVIDIA driver and then click apply changes. I'm going to type in my password here, and it's going to be applying the changes now. You can see right in the background it's installing all of this stuff. Of course, you don't need to understand all of it. And it says right here the lock file. It's saying that because, of course, something's being installed. But once it's installed, I will take you through the driver process. You also change the sound and stuff from here. Also go into your display settings and change this the way you want to. It will automatically set your refresh rate to the highest it can, so you don't need to worry about that setting. So I'm just going to use this bright wallpaper and go to applications. This looks all good here. Displays. That's about good here. We can go to appearance right here. We can auto hide the dock. I don't like it like that. I'm gonna make these a little smaller. I'm gonna put this to the bottom of the screen. There we go. That looks a lot better. I'm gonna set this to dark mode if I like it like that. And you can see now it's gonna be installing the Proton GE build, which you have to make a lot of photos for. Not many people know how to install Proton GE. Doesn't look good to the new user. Just going to do it automatically, and boom, and it installed it into all those folders and made them all for you. Boom. Now I'm going to go ahead and you don't have to do this. Install NeoFetch. I'm going to go ahead and install NeoFetch here, so I can show you that I actually am on Ubuntu and not anything else. Actually on here, so if I go NeoFetch, see Ubuntu, we're on here. This is it. Let me see. This is Ubuntu. It's not Arch with KE modifications to look like Ubuntu and apt installed. No, that's Ubuntu. So we're gonna use the meta package. This is the top one. I use 460, more stable one for gaming. Now I'm just gonna apply these changes and install the drivers. You can see that now it's installing because we're not installing anything else in the background. So there we go. That is very, very good for us. Now it's just applying the changes here. And if you want to go ahead and pin Steam to your bar, pin Lutris to your bar. That's how you're going to be installing games like Diablo 3 and League of Legends. Pin Wine Tricks. You're not going to need this, but it's a front end for wine. And that's about all you're going to need to get you up and going. You can see if this is Steam. If I launch it up, it's going to check for updates. Until it updates, it's going to have a weird font because it's emulating running Windows. So it's going to take a minute because we don't have MS Fonts installed. It's just not going to be what I was saying, the beautifulest until we install MS Fonts, which we don't need to do. But you can see if I open up Lutris and Wine Tricks, you can see this is installing I would recommend running Linetrix once. So to install Mono and Gecko. Yeah, see, only install 32-bit version specs. You can run one prefix. You see right here, this is Linetrix. It will do all of that. Now right here, if I go right here and grab the Diablo 3, let's go Diablo. Go to Games, go to Libre. Here, you see Diablo 3 installers right here. Install. It wants battle.net to be installed, and click that. It's going to download all of that stuff. And now it's going to download setup.exe. It's going to be downloading it from the website and emulating having all of that done. It's going to emulate the battle.net installer. It's going to say you're on Windows. It's going to say you have a C drive and all of that. When really, right here. And then I'm pretty sure they got a Heroic Games launcher. I don't use this, so if you do, then do that. I'm pretty sure this is. Oh yeah, this is the Epic Games Launcher alternative. Okay. It's installing the Arial font, which was what we forgot earlier. And then right here is emulating us being on Windows 10. And you can see it's going to change our virtual Windows machine whenever we click a button. So it's updating right now. So you can see it's updating the agent. Right here, look, it says program files x86. I don't think Linux comes with that, so let's go ahead and install that. You can see this is pretty clean and all that. But I'll be back. Actually, no, it's actually going pretty fast. So, wow. It's wanting to sign into Battle.net. Like it says right here in the directions, so do not try to log into Battle.net. Libre will automatically close the login window. After the Libre installer is finished, you can start the Blizzard app, launch the game, and install and locate your Blizzard game. So, boom. Close that out. I'm not sure. Maybe we should have logged in. Yeah, maybe we should have logged in. Oh, actually, this is installing Diablo 3. Create desktop shortcut. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense. So I'm gonna install. I'm going to actually log in real quick. I will see you in a minute. Alright, so I'm logged in, and it looks like it's running like it would on Windows. So if I go right here to Diablo 3, somebody sent me a friend request 3 months ago. Alright, so click install. C program files x86, Diablo 3. Start install. And I'm also going to be logging into my Steam account, so I will see you when that is done. Alright guys, so I've actually decided to go ahead and end the video here, but you guys saw that we got Ubuntu Gaming set up and perfectly working. I'm also going to show you how to install a free editor app that you can use. It's free and open source, and also a free and open source Photoshop alternative too. So if we go sudo apt install kdenlive, then alpine is the root password on here. So there we go. And then it's going to install that. So there we go. It's fetching all the packages there. And you can install pretty much any package on Ubuntu, so at least that's good. But you can also install any package on Arch. Getting Arch set up is about just as easy. And also about the same as getting Fedora set up, which I'll be going over too. I'll be going over all of them, how to get them set up. Alright, so if we can go in here and we type in now sudo apt install gimp. And it is going to install that package. And if you want something completely random, let's say Audacity, it's going to install that package. And boom, it's going to connect to where download Audacity. You see, this is really how you're going to get the hang of Linux, is using the command line. So force yourself to get used to it. And if you also want to install a different terminal, we go sudo apt install terminator. That's going to install a new terminal for you. That is highly customizable. So it's going to install a new terminal that is very customizable. So you can see right here we got Terminator. I'm now going to close out of here and install an app on here. So we're going to sudo apt install and a BitTorrent client like transmission. You install that. Install something like that. And then what's another app? We can do BitTorrent, so sudo apt install BitTorrent, like that. I'm gonna be erasing Arch, of course. Ubuntu, not Arch. I'm gonna be putting Fedora on this because that's what I rock with. We can also go ahead and add a menu to our grub. So if we go ahead here and go sudo nano etc/grub config, I believe it is. No, I don't know. What is the grub? Where is the grub? Oh yeah. So sudo nano. I have done this a long time. etc/grub. Where's grub at? So do I sudo nano etc/grub. Do I add this at the end? Huh. Sudo install nano. I'm pretty sure it's already installed. Yeah. So sudo nano. And then I go right here and type in grub. Oh, sudo. And then now, I'm trying to figure this out for you guys. Maybe it installed system D. Oh, here we go. We go here to timeout style right here. menu, like that, and then boom, got that completely installed. And that's about it, guys. I will see you later.